What's going on, crypto buffs? DBM Crypto here. Just kind of pondering as I'm watching some of the morning stocks and some of the price action with crypto. One of the big things that I've kind of noticed is, with the Dogecoin price, I'm kind of bewildered on how it's actually pumping. I mean, I know that Elon Musk has a lot of power, but Dogecoin's jumped up quite a bit. I mean, significantly. If you look at these charts, I'll refresh it. But, I mean, it's the sixth coin on the market cap, but it's still dumping. So, new investors, you guys need to be really careful getting into this space right now. I don't think that I would touch Doge with a 10-foot pole at the moment. Because if you actually look at the price action, look at this. Just on the year. I mean, that's 18,000%. I know that everybody says, buy low, sell high, but I mean, I'm seeing a lot of people on social media throwing some money at Doge, and I just want to, be here on the side of caution because Bitcoin's not really doing too hot, but Doge just seems to be dumping, and I thought Doge was 420 Dogeday today. So a lot of this stuff is, planned. A lot of this stuff is set up. A lot of the big whales take days like this and really weed out some of the new early investors. And if a week ago I've had a couple people who have been giving me a bunch of crap for the last 5 years for even getting into crypto. Now they're like really wanting to get in, but the first thing they're talking about is Doge. So I'm scratching my head. I mean, not only obviously you can make a lot of money in Doge. By all means, if you've made money, that's great. I also am a realist. Is there anything down the line for Dogecoin? Are they going to come? Is there something that I don't know? It might be. Who knows? But one of the things with Dogecoin that I'm, oddly concerned about is this price action and that there's an unlimited supply of it. So you're taking out a couple different factors. It's not gonna act the way Bitcoin does because they can just produce more of it. So I don't know. Hey, if you've made good money, props to you. Smoke a joint. Buy some Dogecoin. I'm not touching it right now. I think at one time I maybe had, 1,000 Doge or something like that a year ago. I mean, I'm kind of mad that I sold it. I was just playing around on the Robinhood app. But honestly, if you were going to buy Dogecoin, probably the Robinhood app would be the only way that I would go. Even though I'm not really a big fan of Robinhood or PayPal for that matter when you buy cryptocurrencies. The other thing that I was kind of looking at was, this stock market price. I mean, when you look at some of the stock market prices, especially right now, some of the top 100 stocks, I mean, it looked like they're diving pretty good. I just don't. I might get slaughtered in the crypto space because every single time that I talk about this, people want to kill me. But I'm just cautious because I know how the bear market started back in 2016. And I guess I'm just sort of predicting in my head that this stock market might, initiate the new bear market. And I'm seeing a lot of new investors get into the space, and I'm just warning you guys, be cautious, don't get wrecked like I did. I got wrecked when I first started crypto. I think most people did. I jumped in with Ethereum. It shot up. I made so much money. I've never made it, that much money in such a short time. And then I didn't know what a bear market cycle was. So I thought that this stuff just kept going. And I think that people maybe think that Dogecoin's, going to bypass Bitcoin or something. I'm not sure. But, I think that the politics aside and just the printing of money, I think that we're looking at a very, very high chance of an economic correction, if not recession. Especially once these stimulus checks get spent, which is probably already done, and then tax returns are getting spent right now. So this is pumping up the price. And I know that people also want to murder me when I say this as well, but stock market and crypto kind of have a weird relationship. If you actually look at the stock market collapse of 2020, I'll just show you. Stock market, it's not a collapse, but it did suffer pretty. So I'm not really sure. I don't remember the exact percent that it went down, but it went down. It was one of the top 5 hardest crashes of the stock market was from February the 20th, and then it ended on April the 7th. So, I mean, if you go to CoinMarketCap and look at what happened around that time. So that was 2020. Here we go. Oh, there we go. So here you go. February 11th. February 18th. Price of Bitcoin is $9,800. And it dumped all the way down to 5,200 now. Hey, look, you can say that was because of the pandemic. You can say it's because of loss of jobs. I mean, that's true, but there's still a pandemic going on. There's still a loss of jobs, and people's stimulus checks are already spent. They bought 4-wheelers and lottery tickets and cigarettes. So, the money flow is stopping, and honestly, we're sitting at all-time record highs of stock market and cryptocurrency. So I just don't feel like it's a good time to get in. I'm telling my friends not to get in right now. I'm going to tell you, hold your horses, just wait, because a lot of my friends are wanting to buy altcoins, and I think if you've been watching crypto or any of these markets for any significant time, you know that during a bear market, the only thing that really holds steady is a few things, and it's not altcoins. Altcoins, when they bleed, it's a bloodbath. Dogecoin could easily lose 80 to 90%, in a matter of a week. So be careful out there, guys. I wouldn't put any money into it right now. I think one of the safest investments, honestly, from my personal experience, is exchange coins. Binance Coin's always a good one, because regardless of the bear market or the bull market, people who trade on Binance always have to have Binance Coin. You got to get that low trading fee. There's a couple other ones that I've seen that honestly, they just don't ever go down. So, I mean, if you're talking about safe investments that regardless of what the market does, they're probably going to go up, I really like Qcoin, and Qcoin, actually, a lot of people make fun of it, but it's got some really good obscure coins on there that can easily do 1,000 times. Okay, is that an exchange? I think maybe. BitMEX. Not sure where it was. I thought it was 100. Voyager token. A couple of these are pretty low market cap right now, and they usually do fairly well, even regardless of what state we're in. So, anyways, I'm just rambling. If you guys have any input, put it in the comments below. But happy 420 Doge Day. I'll probably be going to the CBD market here shortly, but watching stocks, watching crypto. Anything else you guys have to add? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Comment below. Hit a like on the video. I appreciate all the people who liked and subbed just for the last video. It's very I feel like it's very, very difficult for a new YouTuber to start in this space. But anyways, hit the like button, share it, comment, subscribe. I'd like to hear you guys' feedback. Peace.